Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we spill sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I have a Scentbird fragrance that I wanted to give you all my thoughts on this fragrance. I added it to my queue, and so you all know how we do. Let's get into the deets and my thoughts on this fragrance. So first, this fragrance came in this kind of nude, like almost like a brown gray type of. I love this case. Okay, so the color is giving to me. And this is Fragrance du Bois, and this is Sirene, maybe that's how you pronounce it. But that is the fragrance that I received, and I seen this fragrance a time or two on some other creators' channel, and I've always been interested. So when I saw it, I was like, okay, yes. And then I saw it had a cherry note. I was like, okay, yes, yes, and yes. Let's see what this is talking about. So first up, do I think this fragrance is versatile? Do I think it has some versatility in it? I don't know. Like, that was one that I hesitated on because I could see myself wearing this for a summer night. But I could also, like, I can totally see myself wearing this for like fall, winter, like no questions asked. I just don't know if I would kick it with this fragrance in the spring. I just don't know if this would be kind of like a signature scent, a all year round. I can wear it as an easy reach. I can also wear it as a fancy dinner. This gives me more dinner, like put together. I can't see myself. I mean, you can, again, wear anything, but I just can't see myself wearing this to the grocery store, errand running. Like, I feel like I would have to be more put together for this scent. So versatility, I go back and forth with this. I've been going back and forth with it. At this time, since I don't have a firm decision, I will have to say, no, I don't think this fragrance is versatile. Now, the occasion. I tapped into this a little bit, but again, I feel like this is definitely a put together type of fragrance, like wearing a dress, wearing a nice pantsuit, something very classic. I don't see you like in the club. I mean, you might be in a club, but I see like this is like kind of a laid back, grown club. I don't see this like drop it low. I don't see this as a drop it low. But I do see this more at like an elegant event, something more like put together, classy, wedding, something along those lines. I feel like it would be the occasion for this fragrance. Now, packaging. This gives me the same packaging as some other Fragrance du Bois packaging. I do have, I believe, 2 Fragrance du Bois in my collection. So I don't have many, but I do have 2, which I'm fine with at this point until, you know, somebody wants to add on. But this also, it seems like it has a little bit of a bling around the top, which I do love. So it seems like it has a little pink, kind of probably like a pink white sapphire or something like that. And then we have the metal plate, which I do enjoy. I love that Fragrance du Bois has like the metal plate instead of the paper kind of. I don't like that. I'm not a fan of the paper, but when it is metal, I feel like it just gives it more of an elevated, classier look. And so packaging, I love it. It's pink. Pink's not my favorite color, but I mean, it's girly. It gives me some girly vibes. So definitely a classy packaging. Now, price. It looks like you can get this fragrance for $3.95.
What did you say?
If you're interested at Neiman Marcus. So that's the price range. Now, do I think that the price matches the fragrance? Well, we'll get into that a little bit later. But $3.95 is a hefty price but it is the price for Fragrance du Bois fragrance. Now, do I think this fragrance leans more feminine or masculine? Not because of the packaging, but I do think this gives me more of a feminine flair than masculine. But if you like a good cherry note, maybe a sweeter, you might vibe with it, men. But I do see this more leaning towards kind of a feminine type of scent. Now, this was launched back in 2024, so this is a newer fragrance, okay? So not that far, we're only in 2025, so I can't say this is, so old, but I feel like a lot of fragrances that come out all the time, this might be giving old. However, it was launched back in 2024. So let's get into the notes. So notes, we have cherry pepper. Middle notes, we have oud, we have lactone, so that's giving me like maybe a molecule type of note. We have incense, benzoin, we have cypriol oil, we also have ladamine and musk, okay? So those are some of the notes that we have in this fragrance. Well, at least what we have been told that's in this fragrance. But let's get into my real thoughts on this fragrance. So, do I love this fragrance? Yes, I absolutely love this fragrance. Now, would I purchase this fragrance? I don't think I would purchase this fragrance. And the only reason why is because this gives me kind of in the same realm, a little bit different. So I'm not saying that these are the same, but in the realm of a fragrance, this gives me like Mind Games French Defense, okay? And that is a cherry fragrance note, and I feel like kind of the depth of that fragrance in the cherry realm and what that gives kind of is similar to this. So all that to say, I'm more so leaning towards like Mind Game French Defense as kind of a luxury cherry note fragrance than this. Not to say I don't love this. So I do love this. This would be definitely, if somebody were to gift this to me, I would happily accept. But this wouldn't be something I would run out to get. I love the French Defense more. I would run out to get that comparison to. And again, I don't want to downplay this, that it's not a beautiful scent. This is an absolute beautiful scent. If you're new to cherry fragrances or you're trying to discover a more luxury cherry scent, this would be something I would highly recommend. I'm just thinking of like the price tag of this for me, right? If I'm spending $3.95, I want to spend $3.95 for something that knocks me off my feet. And this is kind of like, oh, this is cool, kind of what I got from this. Again, I love that French Defense Mind Games. It just does something to me. But this is a great cherry oud fragrance. Again, it does have a little bit of spicy, but there is this, I want to say it's a latonic. Yeah, okay, there is latonic in it. So kind of that latonic milky note is different. Okay, so you have to definitely like a latonic fragrance, which I do. So again, no beef with it. I do like latonic fragrances, but this has like a milky cherry type of scent. And again, my nose leans more to French Defense. And I hope that makes sense, but I do like it. Okay, I probably would not purchase this. Definitely a gift for me. I would accept this. The price tag, I think it could come down. Like, I'm not even going to lie. Like, I think Fragrance du Bois' price tag could come down, but because of probably a lot of different things in the world, like, it just has to keep increasing, and it is what it is. But this is a beautiful cherry luxury scent. If you are interested, I would recommend, but I would also recommend you get your nose on it, because I think that latonic note may or may not work for you. So please get your nose on it, try it first, and then, then decide if you want to get that beautiful price range of $3.95. Well, that's all, family, for my thoughts on this Fragrance du Bois Sirene fragrance, okay? What are your thoughts? Do you have this in your collection? Do you enjoy it? Let us know. Comment down below. Let us know all the deets, all the things. Do you like it? Not like it? We want to know all it in between. Have you never smelt it? Are you interested to get your nose on it? Let us know. Make sure that you subscribe and give me the thumbs up so more fam can visit this channel, come to this channel, be a part of the fam, and talk more about fragrances and all things, okay? Make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.